What if we made everything spicy? Guess what today is? It's time for more food. This one is an easy to make spicy barbecue recipe. We'll see how spicy it actually is, but there is a lot of chipotle going into this, so it's probably gonna be pretty spicy. The good news is, it's literally just, you mix the sauce, you put the meat in, and you cook it. So let's get started, yeah! Oh. For this one, you probably saw that we added apricot preserves instead of sugar, so that'll probably give it an interesting flavor, that's for sure. Hey, no tasting the food before it's done. At this point, we will now put it on low for 8 hours or more. That way you get that nice juicy tenderness that you like out of your meat. I'm thinking Arby's. It's done. Let's see what our final product looks like. I'd say this looks pretty good for a slow cooker barbecue. But that means we gotta try it now. There it is. The spicy barbecue. This one did look like it had a lot of oil in it. I think that might have been because of the cut of meat I used. So I might have to look into what type of meat you're supposed to use for that type. I don't know, but it smells pretty good. So we will see how this one turns out. Well, this one was pretty awesome. Two major things to note. The meat was pretty fatty, so I think getting a more lean cut would help out in this regard. The other thing is all the spiciness got cooked off of it, so it's not that spicy anymore. That's disappointing, but it's still pretty good. The flavor is definitely there. I think this one is a good one to use, so feel free to try this one out if you want to try a different, more tangy version of barbecue. Other than that, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Ow!